So I was looking through the product page to answer any questions y'all might have. I did another video and I confirmed there's no fragrances. It doesn't smell like anything. So if your pet is sensitive to fragrances, then you don't have to worry about that. It can, I missed said information on my last video. I said it can hold 22 pounds. It's actually 11 pounds, but it is like, it can hold the weight of the litter, like of their, when they use the restroom basically, and it's mess free base as well, unless you know you drop it or your cat or dog, whoever you have with you, whatever pet messes with it, then yeah, be aware of that. But I would just not leave it in the garage. I'll put it straight in your trash can, and it's pretty good. Like it can hold the liquid. Like this is, yeah, it's pretty good. It has a little hole here right now. This one does. So be aware. Like make sure they don't have holes on them. And yeah, it's like really easy to tie up and everything. So you just tie it up here. And if it had like all the litter, you just throw it away and then you're done. And then you just grab another one, which I'm going to show you guys. And I really like that these are already like, it's like, you know how trash bags already tear here. So you don't have to like, you know, have a messy cut, you know. So that's really nice as well. Overall, a great product. There's more uses to it. You don't even have to use it for cats. If you have trash bags, or like maybe your own trash bag for like for a trash can in your room, you can use it for, or the restroom. So it has many uses as well. It doesn't have to be just for cats. So I really do recommend this product because it has multiple uses, which is what I'm gonna be using it for, you know, like for different stuff. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm going to be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's going to be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.